Hello guys, welcome back at Son of Thins, but for today's video, here we're going to show you how to connect speakers to LG TV. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how to exactly connect your speakers to your LG TV here? Well, there are going to be a few things that you need to take note and you need to take in consideration here. So the first thing that you want to do here is, or you want to understand here is, a TV or an LG TV has multiple ways of connecting a speaker. Now, first way here is via the optical cable. Now, in this case, you can use an optical cable to basically connect your speaker. But then again, you need to take a note here if your speaker supports that. And also, you could actually use an HDMI ARC as a connection. So you may be able to use an HDMI cable to connect the speakers via the HDMI ARC port in your TV. And also, if your speaker actually supports this, you can actually use a Bluetooth. So again, if it supports Bluetooth connectivity, then in this case, you can connect your speakers wirelessly into your TV. So how do you exactly connect your actual speaker here? So first things first is you want to go ahead and just determine whichever method here. So if you use the wireless method here, it's going to be pretty easy. Just connect the ends of the cable on each other here. And once you've done that, you just need to adjust the settings. So in this case, you want to go ahead and go open up your LG TV here. You want to go to your settings, and you just need to navigate to a sound out, or in this case, the output speaker or the output sound for your LG TV. Now, you want to choose the correct audio output here. So if you're using HDMI ARC, make sure to choose HDMI. For optical, make sure to use optical. Or if you're using Bluetooth, make sure that you have or you've connected your speaker to your Bluetooth device or your Bluetooth speaker. But yeah, so from then on, you go and just test this one and see if the sounds are going to be coming from your speaker now. Play some content like videos from YouTube or any music in your TV. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.